Hi students, welcome back my videos. I am Saju Thomas. Today we are going to learn the usage of was, where, auxiliary verbs. You must watch my previous video. This is the fourth video of auxiliary verbs. This is the fourth video. The previous three videos you must watch. See, today I am going to explain the use of was or where. Was, W-A-S, was, where, W-E-R-E, where. See, there are 24 auxiliary verbs in English. You know, there are 24 auxiliary verbs. See, use of was or where. See, was used with singular subjects. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Singular means one, plural means more than one. See, in the singular, we use with the singular subjects was. See, I, he, she, it, Raju, boy, man, India, child, girl. These singular subjects we use with the was used with the singular subject. Where used with the plural subjects. We, you, they, boys, children, Raju and Ramu, etc. See, the I is a singular subject. But the last class I explained, I used with the am used with the I. Here, this is the past tense. The was, I used with the was. See the sentence, I was a teacher. Where used with the plural subjects. We, you, they, boys, children, Raju, Ram. Suppose you have any doubts, you can make a comment below and send it to me. Okay? Let's see. Was or where plus a noun. First we are going to study use was, where, use with a noun. Then after we will study use with a verb. See, noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal, idea or thing. See, I was a teacher. See, I is the subject. Was is an auxiliary verb. See, a teacher, a noun. I was a teacher. मैं एक शिक्षक था. It means I was a teacher before. Now I am not a teacher. I was a teacher, but now I am not a teacher. See, मैं पहले एक टीचर था, लेकिन अभी टीचर नहीं है. I was a farmer. मैं एक किसान था. Now I am not a farmer. अभी मैं एक किसान नहीं हूं. See, this is going in the past. I was a teacher. I was a farmer. I was a student of Kerala Public School. मैं केरला पब्लिक स्कूल का एक विद्यार्थी था. Now I am not a student of Kerala Public School. Now I am studying in Banaras, Varanasi, Delhi. teacher. I was a farmer. I was a football player. See what is written? I was a teacher. मैं एक शिक्षक था. इसका मतलब अभी मैं टीचर नहीं है. I was a teacher. मैं एक शिक्षक था. See, he was a singer. वह एक गायक था. It means now he is not a singer. अभी एक सिंगर नहीं है, गायक नहीं है. It means he was a singer. वो पहले एक गायक था. See the sentence. He was a singer. Now he is not a singer. She was a doctor. वह एक डॉक्टर थी. This is the feminine gender. That's why use थी. She was a doctor. वह एक डॉक्टर थी. Now she is not a doctor. It means we use was or were in the past tense. What had happened in the past? I was a player. He was a player. She was a singer. She was a teacher. Raju was a farmer. Raju was a student. See, in the past tense we used. Students, can you tell me some more sentences about with was? You can try to say. It was good. वो अच्छा था. It was not good. वो अच्छा नहीं था. See, I was a teacher. We can ask the negative also. I was not a teacher. We can join after the was not. I was not a teacher. मैं एक शिक्षक नहीं था. He was not a singer. वह एक सिंगर नहीं था. He was not a singer. Not. See the sentence. You can make the negative sentence after the auxiliary verbs. See, after the auxiliary verb you can make the negative sentence. See, this is written the positive sentence. Then you can make the negative sentence after the auxiliary verb. See, I was not a teacher. He was not a singer. She was not a doctor. वह एक डॉक्टर नहीं थी. See, next example. He was a farmer. वह एक किसान था. It means now he is not a farmer. अभी वो किसान नहीं है. The before, some years before, some days before, otherwise yesterday, and see, he was absent yesterday. वह कल नहीं आया था स्कूल में. He was absent yesterday. See, he was a farmer. He was not a farmer. He was farmer means पहले वो किसान था. Now not. अभी एक किसान नहीं. He was an engineer. Raju was an engineer. ऐसा नहीं था. I was not a student. I was not a player. He was not a player. She was not a singer. She was not a good student. That is the negative form. That's why the sentence is past sentence. See, next how to make the question. You can do one thing. Which auxiliary is in the sentence? ये कौन सा auxiliary ये sentence में दिया है? That auxiliary you can put before the first. This auxiliary was you can put in the first front side. And was he a farmer? Then question mark. See, where is the auxiliary? He was not a farmer. He was a farmer. He was. This is auxiliary verb. This auxiliary verb you can put in the first of the sentence. Then the put here, was he a farmer? The rules of auxiliary verbs, which auxiliary is put in the front of the sentence, that become the question sentence. Suppose I do smoke. Ask the question, do you smoke? Does he smoke? Are you playing? Is he watching? Is he Raju? Means auxiliary verb used in the past, put in the sentence first, it became the question sentence. That is very simple. Raju was a cricket player. Raju एक cricket खिलाड़ी था. It means now he is not a player. अभी ये खिलाड़ी नहीं है. Raju was a player before, some days before, some years before, some months before. कुछ साल के पहले, कुछ महीने के पहले, कुछ दिन पहले राजू was a cricket player. Now Raju is not a cricket player. अभी राजू cricket player नहीं है. Raju was a cricket player. Raju was not a cricket player. This is the negative sentence. This is the question sentence. Was Raju a cricket player? क्या राजू एक क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी था? See, was Raju a cricket player? We can ask many questions with was plus a noun. Understand? I think that you understood the use of was with a noun. We only explain with the noun. Then we are going to learn use with the where plus noun. Where plus noun. W-E-R-E, where plus noun. See, we learned the use of was with a noun. Where plus noun. We were players. See, where used with the plural subjects. We, you. I asked a question. You actually singular. You, how many persons are there in a you? Only one person. But we use with the plural auxiliary verbs. We, you, they, boys, children, Raju and Ramu, and many nouns we can use. We were players. हम खिलाड़ी थे. It means हम लोग पहले खिलाड़ी थे. Now we are not a players. अभी हम लोग खिलाड़ी नहीं. We were players. We were students of Kerala Public School. हम लोग केरला पब्लिक स्कूल का छात्र थे. We were the students of Kerala Public School. Now we are not. अभी हम लोग दूसरा स्कूल में पढ़ रहा. Now we are studying Banaras, Delhi, Kerala, Mumbai, anywhere else. But the 2 years back or 1 year back, 5 years back, we were studying in Kerala Public School. 2 साल पहले, 1 साल पहले, 5 साल पहले हम लोग केरला पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ रहा था. हम लोग वहां का छात्र थे, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स थे. हम केपीएस के छात्र थे. We were students of KPS, Kerala Public School. We were teachers. हम शिक्षक थे. It means now before he was you were a teacher, आप एक डॉक्टर था, लेकिन अभी नहीं है. You were a doctor, you were a student of KPS, आप KPS का छात्र थे. Now you are studying in another school. So you were a student of KPS, आप KPS का एक छात्र. They were friends, वे मित्र थे. They were friends when they were studying in Kerala Public School. उन लोग केरला पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ रहा था, उस समय उन लोग क्या था? दोस्त. They were friends. See, only you if used with we in the past tense with were, we were, you were, they were friends. वे मित्र थे. They were friends. They were classmates. उन लोग सहपाठियां लोग थे. They were classmates. See, we were not friends. हम लोग दोस्त नहीं थे. We were not friends. Were they classmates? क्या वे सहपाठी थे? How to make a question? I explained before. Which auxiliary is used in the sentence? Here is the auxiliary verb is here. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in English. We studied am, is, are, was. Next we are studying were. Where we were not friends. Then look at the sentence very carefully. Which is the auxiliary verb? You can put the auxiliary verb in the first again. Were they classmates? See, my parents were farmers. My parents were not farmers. They were absent yesterday. We can make many sentences. See the look at the board once again. Now I am taking the class was or were. Now we learned use the was or were plus a noun. Then we are going to study was or were plus a verb. Now look at the board. Was or were plus verb. We can write the structure of this type. Subject plus was or were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The last class I told you there are 5 forms in a verb. Present form, past form, past participle form, present participle form and simple form. There are 5 forms in a verb. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Ring, rang, rung, ringing, rings. Play, played, played, playing, plays. There are 5 forms. See. Here subject plus was or were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. See that. I is the subject. This is an auxiliary verb. This is the subject. This is the auxiliary verb. The playing is verb. Play plus ing. Playing. Plays plus ing. Playing. I was playing cricket. I is the subject. See, I am writing here. I is the subject. Was is an auxiliary verb. Playing is a main verb. Main verb. M-A-I-N. Main verb. This main verb has 5 forms. Play, play, played, played, playing, plays. I was playing cricket. Remember, was or were in an active voice sentence. I was. See, what is written here? Was used with the singular subjects, were used with the plural subjects. See, I was playing cricket. I is the subject. Was is an auxiliary verb. Playing is a main verb. Cricket is an why was written here. We were playing cricket. See, we were playing cricket. We is a plural, Bahuvajan. We were playing cricket. The pattern is same. Was or were plus verb 1 plus ing. The pattern is already same. No changing. But see, subject plus was or were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object, that is the structure. But we were, see, I was, he was, she was, it was, Raju was, boy was. See, I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing. At the same time, we were playing, you were playing, they were playing, boys were playing, children were playing, Raju and Ramu were playing. See, we were playing. The auxiliary verb used with the use here were. You were playing. You is the subject. Were is an auxiliary verb. Playing is main verb. Cricket is an object. See, he was playing cricket. This is the singular. That's why was. He was playing cricket. वह cricket खेल रहा था. She was singing a song. She is a singular subject. That's why was used here. She was singing a song. वह एक गाना गा रही थी. She was singing a song. She was writing. वह लिख रही थी. She was writing English. He was writing mathematics. She was writing science. Raju was sleeping. Raju सो रहा था. See, Raju is the singular subject. That's why was written here. Sleeping is a verb. Sleep plus ing, sleeping. You remember it. When the was or were plus verb, the structure must be used with the verb plus ing. Raju was playing. I was playing. Sida was singing a song. She was dancing. We were playing. We were watching TV. See, Raju and Ramu were watching TV. Raju or Ramu TV देख रहे थे. See, boys were studying. See, what do you understand? See, only you can understand this much. The was or were used with the verb ing verb. See, then how to make the negative? I was playing. You can just add here not. I was not playing cricket. We were not playing cricket. You were not playing cricket. You can add here not. After the auxiliary verbs. After the auxiliary verb. Many times I told you, after the auxiliary verb you can use the not. I was not playing cricket. We were not playing cricket. You were not playing cricket. I was not playing cricket. मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा था. मैंने क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा. We were not playing cricket. हम लोग क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. You can add after the auxiliary verb not. He was not playing cricket. वह क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा था. She was singing a song. she was not singing a song. वह एक गाना नहीं गा रही थी. She was not writing. He was not watching. She was not washing her clothes. She was not cooking food. I was not making tea. Many sentences we can make. Look at the board once again. I do not write the meaning. You can write the meaning. See, I was watching TV. What is the meaning? I was watching TV. मैं टीवी देख रहा था. See, I is the subject. Was is an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Watching is main verb. TV is an object. I was not watching TV. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा. Was I watching TV? क्या मैं टीवी देख रहा था? Question. So see, English language, you can use the 24 auxiliary verbs in the sentence, put in the first side, that becomes a question. Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? I will come tomorrow, I shall come tomorrow. Will you come tomorrow? आप कल आओगे. Will you come tomorrow? Can I take this? क्या मुझे ये ले सकता है? Can. I can. I is the subject. Can is an auxiliary verb. I can. Then can I? That is a question. Shall I? Shall we? Will you? The question. Do you? Does he? Have you? Have you pen? That's a question. Remember, very important. It is very important in your life. Put the auxiliary verb in the first. You can ask that sentence became the question sentence. Very simple. Then he was listening music. He was listening music. He was not listening music. Was he listening music? Was he listening music? क्या वह म्यूजिक सुन रहा था? क्या वह म्यूजिक सुन रहा था? Was he listening music? Was he studying? Was he playing? Was he playing cricket? Was he playing football? Was he washing his clothes? Was she cooking food? Was she cleaning the floor? Many questions we take. See, was he listening? See, was he? Was I? Was she? Was Raju? See, then we can ask the WH question. What was he listening? वह क्या सुन रहा था? Answer is he was listening the music. What was he listening? He was listening music. What was he listening? He was listening the music. We were doing work. See, we were not doing work. Were we doing work? What were we doing? See, where were you yesterday? Where were you playing? Where were you studying? See, these are the main usage of this sentence. I explained the first was plus where plus a noun, and was or where plus a verb. Explain to you was where plus a noun, was where plus verb plus ing. See, I think that you cleared it. You do not understand, you can make it a comment to me. I explain one second. See, there was a school. There was a school. वहां में एक स्कूल था. There were schools. There was a school means वहां एक स्कूल था. There were schools. वहां बहुतों स्कूल था. There was a pen. वहां एक पेन था. There was a post office. वहां एक पोस्ट ऑफिस था. We can use there was, there are, sorry, there were. This is with the singular. This is with the plural. See, there was a school. वहां एक स्कूल था. There was a school, many schools. So there was a problem. वहां एक समस्या था. There was a problem. How can we talk with the there was a problem? एक समस्या था. Now there is no problem. अभी कोई problem नहीं है. There was a problem. एक problem था. There was a mistake. एक mistake था. Now there is no mistake. अब see, there is, there are, राजा। सैयद राजा में एक अच्छा स्कूल था, नाउ नो, अभी कोई अच्छा स्कूल नहीं। देयर वाज ए प्रॉब्लम, एक समस्या था, अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम और are there any problem? Where there any problem? You can ask. See, first we studied was plus where plus noun, or where was plus where plus a verb. I think that you got some ideas about the use of. I explained use of am, is, are, was, where. See, if you have any doubt, you can make the comment to me. Next video we will study do, does, did. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, you can make the comment. If you don't like, you can also make the comment. It will rethink to me. So I think that you got some knowledge. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day. If you like, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.